In this video, I'll show you how to create a round object in 3ds Max in minutes using just a line and a modifier. Let's start by searching for a vase or glass image that you like to use as a reference. If your model needs to be accurate, a front or side view would be needed, but for the purpose of practicing, an image like this will be enough. Open 3ds Max and create a plane with the exact dimensions of the reference image. In this case, the reference image has 800 by 800 pixels, so we're going to create the plane with 800 centimeters. That's the unit we're using here. Then we can scale it down later because the model will be too big. Then open the material editor by pressing M and create a physical material. Use the reference image as a base color and apply it to the plane. Now we're going to draw a line following the edges of the vase. You can draw a single line going all the way or do it separately and attach them later, but the contour should be a single polyline at the end. We'll create the line with the initial type set as corner and the direct type set as bezier to make it easier to edit later. The line should be created in only one of the sides of the vase. We're starting at the middle of the bottom part because the model is closed at the bottom. But at the top, you have to create a line following the opening and go back till you close the line. If you created a vertex in the wrong place, you can go back by pressing backspace. Now that we have the line, we can hide the reference image and adjust the line by moving the vertices and Bezier control points. Since this is a rounded model, we should avoid sharp corners. Once you have a shape similar to this, we can go to the next phase. But before that, let's scale down the line since we created it way too big. If you have the vase dimensions, scale down to match it. Now, go to the modifiers list and select the left modifier. You'll see that the direction and alignment will change how the modifier will affect the line. In this case, we'll use the direction set to Y and alignment set to min. To see the model like this without having to create a material, you can go to the display panel and check the box See Through, or press the keyboard shortcut Alt-X. The model is basically ready. We'll just apply a Turbo Smooth modifier to make the edges smoother without creating too many polygons. You can turn the modifiers on and off and edit the line, and the result will automatically update.